Hello, this is a new series on C programming language. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate you how to use Visual Studio Code for C programming. So let's get started. Visual Studio Code is a code editor which we can use for different programming languages, but it is not a full-fledged IDE. It is a code editor. So if you want to use it for different languages, so we need to install required extensions. To compile C programs, we need a compiler and other tools. So first let us understand that how we can download and install required tools. So open google.com and search for MinGW, minimalistic GNU for Windows. So you search for MinGW and visit this site mingw-w64.org. If you visit this site, so go to this downloads section, and from here you can see different pre-built tool chains, but we are going to use basic support for MinGW installation. So scroll down and go to this MinGW builds, and under installation click this link. Now it will wait for downloading the required installation file. Installation has started and we can open now that file. So we get this installation file, so double click on that. So now it's waiting for installation. Installation has started. It's basically asking certain configurations. So at this point just select all the default ones, click on next. Now here it's going to ask where exactly we want to install. I'm going to install in this particular path under C program files. The rest of the path is provided by this installation itself. Click on next. Now it will take a while. It will download required files and it's going to install complete MinGW system on our computer. So it's downloading many different files, so it will take a while. It could take around 1 or 2 minutes depending upon the internet speed. So let's wait for its downloading and installation. Still it is downloading the content and installing it, so let's wait a while. So now it has installed all required files and packages. Click on next and installation has been successfully installed, so click on finish button. Okay, once installation is done, we need to configure path for our installation. So go to this C program files, MinGW w64, go to this bin directory. So here in this directory you can see all different command line utilities which are required. So just select this path, Ctrl C, right click on this my computer, click on properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, and here select this path, click on edit, and here we can add new path for our MinGW installation. Click on OK, click OK, close this dialog box, even close this window. Now we're going to start command prompt and we'll see that whether the utilities are accessible or not. So I just write gcc. Now it's not giving command not found error. We can also print its version. So yes, this tool is now working. Now close this command prompt. We come back to this Visual Studio Code. Now we are going to add two extensions. So one is C++. So if you search for this, you get this extension from Microsoft. Click on this and here you'll see install button. You have to click on that. I already installed it, but it is pretty straightforward. You just click on that install, and same way we have to install one extension called Code Runner. Again you get this Code Runner extension. Again same way you install it. Once it is installed, now our Visual Studio Code can highlight syntax for C programming also. Once this is done, you click this ID and we can restart it so that we can have effect of those environment variables. Okay, now we are going to open workspace for our C programs. So add folder to workspace, and now we choose one specific folder for our C programs. So I am selecting this folder as C programs. I'm going to add this into workspace. You can see we have already written one program. Now to run this, there are a number of options. One option is you click on this run code, or you can run it from run without debugging, or you can run it from right click on this and run code. Now whenever we have programs which are taking some input from user, for example our program is using scanf functions, so in that case we want to run our program within terminal. So for that you have to do one setting. So let's see that setting. Click on file, go to this preferences, click on this settings. Now from here expand these extensions, and under that scroll down up to run code configurations, and here to select one option called run in terminal. So by default you'll see it's not selected, so click on this and save it. Once this is done, right, you can restart the IDE so that it will have effect of our settings. Now we can right click on this and we can select run code. So you'll see our program is running in terminal and we'll get output. You can see here we are getting output of our program. So in this way we can configure Visual Studio so that it will be able to compile C programs. Thanks for watching.